Harlan Reichle, President and CEO, founder, owner of the Reichle Klein Group. We're a commercial real estate services firm. We provide brokerage and property management services. The 9-step process that SalesStar has taught me addressed all of those shortcomings and helped me establish a good process that I'd lacked before, and provided me with very effective tools for completing each of those steps. Maybe I would get fewer candidates, but I would be getting better candidates who had a higher probability of success. And the folks at SalesStar helped me embrace the idea that was the better approach, and that I should aim higher but use better tools and better selectivity and to get to those kind of candidates, and that I could actually do it and succeed with it. I feel when I got through with the setup of the profiles that were developed based on the data, acquired from successful people in my own organization, I felt like I had their DNA. We had their DNA mapped, and so it helped me better understand why my currently successful people were successful, and apply those filters and those data points against candidates. And what emerged was a much more definitive picture of why and how people succeed, and what kind of people I need to hire to be successful in the future. So confidence level was way up. It's added significantly to my understanding of what my target is, and a great tool for filtering out those people that aren't good candidates, so I don't spend the time and energy interviewing people that aren't good candidates. But when I find a good candidate, now I know that I need to lean in, and I'm also armed with understandings about their strengths and their weaknesses, and it gives me a path to be more effective in my interviewing and assessment of those candidates when I do find them. The SalesStar platform would be incredibly useful in helping you understand sales as a process, and understand how you can efficiently and effectively identify good qualified people to form that role for you,